Figuring out that by experimentation is quite difficult, though. So let's look at what you might have tried to do to answer that question. So let's do some experiments. So we'll try making a simple set, and we'll initialize A to be the result of set 1, 2, 3. And now I can see the value of A. It's a set containing those 3 elements. The first kind of experiment we might do to figure out if something is mutable is try an assignment. This is the kind of thing we could do with a list. If this was a list, assigning to index 0 would replace this value in the set. But when we try that with a set, what we do is get an error. It says that set object does not support item assignment. That might suggest that set is immutable. Right? If we think of other things that we've done that don't support assignment, when we had a string, we got the same error message. And we got that error message because the string was immutable. But just because it doesn't support item assignment doesn't mean there might not be another way to change it. Let's think about other ways we might change objects. If we had a list, we could change it by doing append. That mutates the value of the list, adding a new element to the end of it. Can we do that with a set? Well, here's our set again. Let's try if we can do append to the set. And we also get an error message. It doesn't have a way to do append. So experiments don't tell us everything that we need to know, at least not these ones. From these experiments, it looks like set may not be mutable. We haven't found a way to mutate it, but that's certainly not enough to conclude that it's immutable. So maybe we need to do more than just these experiments. And let's look at what we can find by doing our search again and see if we can learn more about sets.